Arroyo, how would you describe it? As clear or fuzzy?
I'll let it.
Or anything in between?
It's hard for me to answer that. The details were clear, but not any clearer than before.